This time of year, cider is a super popular drink. I know it's one of my favorites, and what if it could be super immuno-boosting as well? Today, I'm gonna show you how to make an immuno-boosting cider. Our star ingredient is amla. This is amla extract. Although it's brown here, it's actually from a plump green fruit known as Indian gooseberry. And while you could use the amla in the extract form, in smoothies or in cooking, today I'm gonna show you how to make a cider with AmlaPlex, which is very similar to essentially an amla jam. Now, the other ingredients we'll be using are ginger, star anise, cloves, and cinnamon. So the benefit of amla is that it actually has more vitamin C than oranges. And on top of that, it has more bioavailable vitamin C by actually about 200%. So it's gonna get to your cells faster. The ginger actually helps with indigestion, any digestive issues. It helps kind of keep everything happy. And for the traditional cider ingredients, we have, of course, the star anise, the cloves, and the cinnamon. The first ingredient I'm gonna add is the cinnamon. So for me, I really like the taste of cinnamon. So I'm gonna add a few sticks in, but of course, feel free to adjust this to your taste palette. You could have also used powdered cinnamon, but because I had cinnamon sticks on hand, I like to add these in instead, just so I get the whole flavor. So I'm gonna add in 2 sticks, actually 3, because I have smaller sticks. I'm gonna add 3 sticks in to my boiling water. Next, I'm gonna add the cloves. Again, do it according to your taste palette. I prefer fewer cloves, so I'm gonna add about, probably like 6 or 7. Next is the star anise. I love the smell of this, so I'm gonna probably add about 4 or 5. Next is the ginger. Again, according to your taste palette, whatever you prefer. I like a lot of ginger, so I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons. This is crushed ginger. You could add just whole ginger as well, but crushed ginger makes the flavor a little bit more potent. And we're gonna let this come to a boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you allow it to boil, the more of the flavors you're gonna get. We're gonna go for probably about 10 minutes, and then after we'll add our star ingredient, which is the AmlaPlex. So give or take, it's been about 10 minutes with all the spices and ginger boiling in the water. We're gonna now add the AmlaPlex. We're gonna be using about a tablespoon, but again, adjust this to your taste preference. This adds a sweet as well as a little bit of a spicy flavor, and it's really, really phenomenal once it's incorporated into the water. So again, about a tablespoon, and we're gonna go ahead and mix that into the water. And we're gonna let it sit for about 3 or 4 minutes. It melts down really easily in the hot water, and it turns it into this beautiful burgundy color, the color of cider. I'm using a strainer to help separate the spices from the cider, so then you're just left with a beautiful liquid. And there you have it, your immune boosting cider.